Hindi na ako not able to here. So, ito, minamodify ko lang yung start na naman ng palibagong season ng MTL. Then, meron tayong i-unbox ngayon na package. Lalagay ko na lang ang page.
By this time, I already gave it to her sa kanyang post-birthday celebration last weekend. And yeah, it probably by this time hindi ko pa rin nagagamit yung bag, pero my best friend will be kasi super gusto niya yun ever since. What happened is yung pinaka-2 kilo bread, it should be a little bit undercooked or soft, hindi ganun katigas. So, ganun yung naging outcome, parang crusty.
Uploading na heist. Ka-upload mo to. Kape ako konti. Then, go work out ako. Sobrang thick ng foam. Ano lang yung gamit ko, low-fat milk ng Nestle. Like less than half lang yung nilagay kong liquid. Grabe. Tapos nag-full siya lang ganito. By the way, sa kape, kasi nga ina-acid na ako dun sa kape. Flex ko lang tong coffee black. Mula nung ininom ko to, hindi na ako nag-acidic. Actually, dati kong iniinom ay yung coffee macchiato. Pero naglabas na sila nito. Kailangan nating mag-workout. Wait. Winter melon. Itong pasto pa din yung takip. Yes. Ang sarap niya. I'm going to try this kasi nga since panggabi nga yung work ko. Each contains 10 gummies per pack. Only 159 pesos. Order lang ako ng refreshments namin ni Habi kanina. Ito yung akin iced coffee. Ngayon na ulit ako ng iced coffee. Hello! 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 Kaya ako pala tumamay. Tayo ba? It's got to do. Because yesterday I was not able to. Other than that, I do not have his own personal email address. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.
From time to time, if there were like enough supplies that last for more than a week or so, I probably just put in them in advance, like for example the Scarlet Week, so it would be easier for us to put eventually on the dishes we have lined up, and at the same time it really saves the amount of cooking time in general.
Lagyan mo na lang the sauce, hindi mahal. I-siot na natin, hindi eh. Hindi ka rin. Gusto ko nga kasi pag ganyang mainit. Ibang dami. Deliciousness. Just transfer this na lang sa ganito microwavable. Kasi hindi siya kasya doon sa unang container. And ganun siya karami, guys.
aside from, the garlic that's shown, there are still lots of stocks like salt and pepper, what else? Oatmeal, sugar, you name it, and even coffee granules that we just bought from Bamu are present on this time because it's a staple. Although, except for the coffee, I lessen the amount of caffeine intake.
Tignan ako ng konting fluid lang.
Sa tayo ng kopya. Here. Ay, lapit-lapit eh. Yun. Yun ang gusto ko. Dalawa sabaw. Ay, gravy pala yun. I bought a set of plates from Home Gallery.
The reason why we got to upgrade our dinnerware is that on the long run we can able to use them in our future property, in our future home, in our future condo whatsoever. And those previous stuff we have had will then be went to my grandmother.
Morning, I already fixed the bed. Ang ganda ng bed sheet from mother. Kagising ko lang. I think nandiyan na si Habi sa baba. Galing sa gym. And syempre pag Monday, dami na naman gagawin.
So, kailangan makahabol. Tapos, nung yun, nakuha siya.
Hustling Mundo. 2 pieces. Grabe. For the sake of uploading a video. Fleisha and white soap mask hand cream.
Iiyak na yan. Parang ganon. Tingnan mo, mukha mo. Wow, ang bait naman ng BFF ko. Princess treatment.
Di ba sabi mo gusto mo ng Sweden?
Uy, sour. Pa yan.
Good morning, it's a Monday and okay, wait for one. Yun nga, dito ko ngayon sa Makati. Meron akong i-inquire lang dito saglit, but for now, niredeem ko yung drink. I ordered the strawberries and cream, so I'm not into coffee muna today.